soybeans. We added to the carrot juice. We stuck a hand blender in there or a blender to create air. We put that in the middle of the plate. A little texture in your mouth. Please enjoy. Luciano.
For this course, we've prepared a Australian Chardonnay. It's called Philip Shaw No. 11 Chardonnay. 40% of the wine is actually aged in new French oak barrels. 20% of it in stainless steel. The vineyards are grown on south-facing slopes, so the sun actually doesn't hit the vineyards at all. So it's very cool climate Chardonnay. You'll find some really nice stone, fruit-flavored, peach flavors in the wine. Enjoy.